Hello, friend. Joe at the office here. Today I want to talk about a tool in Microsoft Office, Format Painter. It's the paintbrush and all of the ribbon sections of your Office applications. So let's start with Excel. So I have just a couple data sets here. Data is not really important for this, but so I have the Format Painter button here. If we were to choose a let's start with this. Let's change this red. Maybe fill it with yellow. That's ugly, but whatever. Maybe change it to blue. Whatever. So we have this field that's differently formatted than the other fields around it. And what we may want to do is say all of the numbers in this data set, we want it to under 10. Under the number 10, we might want to format this way. So we could select the cell, hit Format Painter, select it, hit Format Painter, select it. So we could go through and find all the numbers that meet the criteria that we want to present this spreadsheet to somebody. We want these numbers to stand out. So let's undo that. Let's say one of the cool tricks of Format Painter, and it actually says that if you hover over it at the bottom, to apply the formatting in multiple places, double click Format Painter. A lot of people don't know about this, but if you just quickly double click, then you can go and select all of the numbers that you want. And I clicked and dragged here so you can see that it works that way. So that you're still there, so any number that you want to pick is great. And say there's some words over here in a different data set you want to stand out. Maybe I want the browns to stand out. So that's how you do that. You could hit escape or click it again and it'll stop that format painting. And what's really cool is this tool works exactly the same way throughout all of the Microsoft Office applications. OneNote, PowerPoint, Word, whatever. So let's look at the PowerPoint. So here's my intro page that I created in PowerPoint, and I want to use this font that's in here maybe for a couple words to make the words stand out. So I could double click the Format Painter, go into a different text box down here, select the word cool, select the word Microsoft Office, and then hit escape. We're done. And you can see that we've changed the format of a couple words in this text box, which can be very helpful and time saving. Let's go look at Word. So I have just a couple of sections of a newsletter that I put together quarterly, and doing this type of thing right here, where you have different colors for the letters in the same text box, it is kind of cumbersome that you got to do that. Select a letter, hit a color that you want, select a different letter, select a different color. One of the things that I really like to do down here is point out some words that are important. So I might select, let's try that again. I might select this phrase here, and I can say change it to automatic so it's that color, and then I can double click that Format Painter and choose other words that I want to highlight in the different text. I just double clicked that word, and Microsoft Word was smart enough to say I'm going to format paint that word. So that's what I got today for Format Painter. It's a very useful tool. It's pretty cool, some of the features that Microsoft has built over the years, and I would definitely recommend using that. Saves a lot of time between the individuals. Select the letter, select the word, change the format every time. So I think that's what I got today, and If you got something out of this, if you appreciate it, please hit like and subscribe. And if you have something you'd like to add or something I can do to make this better, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.